to the much-awaited grand opening of SM City Marikina. At last, we've seen the beauty of the biggest mall on this side of the metro. Who among you have waited long for this day? And who among you have been here since or before 9 a.m.? Is everybody having fun? This is the grand opening, so we're doing everything the extravagant way. Earlier, we saw the Olips Drum and Lar Band and the CCP Pep Squad. Then, we've had a hologram show. And later, the most anticipated fireworks display happening at 7 p.m. But before that, here on stage, happening in a few moments from now, will be Sarah Geronimo. And right now, as we wait, there is a CD selling of Sarah Geronimo's CDs beside the escalator near the stage.
Check. Hello! Ano po ba? Gandang tanghali pa po ba o hapon na? Ha? Gandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat! So nice to be here in SM Marikina. Nako, and to see all of you, maraming pong salamat for being here and for making me part of this grand opening. Ayan. Kamusta ho kayo? Kumain na po ba kayo? Nagtanghalian na po ba kayo? Hindi ba? Sige po, ililibre ko kayong lahat sa Jollibee! Sa panaginip! Okay. Gusto ko po kayong handagan ng mga ilang awitin po from my album, Taking Flight. Ayan. Gusto niyo bang simula na ako? Ayan. Thank you kay ate, ano ang pangalan niyo ulit? Ate Belle, sa Popsters, ayan, for being here. Hello, baby! Kamusta po kayo dyan sa taas? Ayan! Kayo po! Parang ang baba po ng energy niyo dyan. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Ay, ang baba talaga. Kamusta po? Ay, mababa. Sino na lang po sa inyo, yun, no? Sino po sa inyo ang nakapanood ng A Very Special Love? Talaga? Parang sa taas wala nakapanood? Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo sa movie. 10 times sa Popsters. Thank you. Sige, kakantahan ko na po kayo. Ito po yung Ikaw. Sana po magustuhan nyo.